Okay. So here's how to gain back the opportunity to build trust again. So I went deeper. All right. So I recognize maybe Aaron's saying is hitting me in the chest and like twisting the knife a little bit. Okay, I'm supposed to do that. That's what I'm going to do. All right. But let me tell you how to fix it. One, you need to acknowledge to the people who are following you what you did wrong. Right? Maybe it's one person, maybe it's 10 people, but you need to acknowledge what you've done wrong. You need to explain what you're going to do to make things right. Right? You need to give those the opportunity under you to share their perspectives and add anything to what you shared with them. Right? Give them an opportunity to vent back. Give them an opportunity to maybe have a suggestion. Right? Give them an opportunity to feel like they're involved in your change because you've decided you're willing to change. Then number 4, do the work and actually fix the problem. Right? The fastest way to never be a leader again is to make those top 3 promises and then not do it. Right? And then number 5, follow up and confirm that the problem has been fixed in the people who follow you's eyes. Now, that's not a one-day process, right? Because it takes some consistency, right? What it takes is that, truth is, you should never have to follow up and confirm because the results and everything happened on the team and the culture should already tell you, we got it. We're closing cases. We're winning. People are following me. People are joining my team. People are happy to be here, right? People are making money. Like all those things should be happening. You should be happier in your life, right? Your anxiety and stress levels should be lower. You should be excited about waking up in the mornings every day, not just, Saturday and Sunday.